Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Box here, what is it? Portable camping shower. Okay. Here's a hose. I'm not sure what this is for. Stick to something. For a handle, maybe? Some gaskets and some nubs. USB A to barrel jack. A mesh bag for the shower. There's a shower head here. Here's a hook to hang it. And then here is the pump for the water. Portable outdoor shower. 5000 milliamps. Whatever. And the power. DCN. Yeah. I'm guessing you put the water in here. It sucks it through here. Goes out to the shower. I did not see any instructions. That is everything. Maybe a bucket or something for this. I don't see a way to get the water. But yeah, that is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.